The timelessness and grace of a sari is undeniable. An Indian woman's wardrobe is incomplete without the 6 yards of fabric. This episode on stylement is dedicated to the grandness of the sari. And here are the 5 different ways to modernize the sari by simply experimenting with the drapes and adding the right contemporary elements. The first one on our list is the Chhotu Saree, made famous by the ace designer Sabyasachi Mukherjee. For this style, the sari is draped a little above the ankle and the pallu is kept shorter than usual. You can style it by adding stacked anklets. A pair of kolhapuris adds to the rustic effect. Sari blouse pair is a passe. Now pair a fitted top with the sari instead. It not only gives you enough coverage but also looks chicer than the blouse. Opt for a fitted turtleneck top for this season and drape the sari like a sarong with pleats. The statement neckpiece and the skirt-like effect of the sari makes this look perfect for evening soirees. Add a touch of androgyny to your sari by teaming it with a shirt instead of a regular blouse. This look is great for day weddings and even cocktail parties. Currently, what is really trending is sari worn with a jacket. Team a monotone jacket with your sari to get that perfect corporate look. They are great for boardroom meetings. Finish this look with an oversized gold tone watch. Look feisty with a knotted pallu sari. All you need to do is add a few knots to the front of the pallu. You can either wear stag bangles or pair large earrings with this look. It's a quick way to facelift even the most boring saris. So those were our 5 different ways of reinventing the humble sari. To shop these looks, visit Myntra.com, the ultimate fashion destination of India.
For more fashion tips, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.